It's kinda hard to ignore all the hype about AI technology, and I don't think it's a bad idea to incorporate what's available into your workflow. But instead of recreating or rendering an artwork based on other people's art, let's try modeling something in Blender and make it look a bit more stylized or artistic. AI creates stunning results, yes, but it's not that easy to control the outcome even with ControlNet. I'm gonna jump into Blender now. The modeling didn't take long and I didn't spend too much time texturing either. Just a simple layout like this. I modeled the furniture using extrusion and bevels, nothing fancy. For the legs, screw modifier was used, and of course don't forget to check your normals when you do. For the vase, I used the circle, scaled every other vertex and beveled, then extruded and filled the bottom. Will look nice if I zoom in to focus on the flower if I wanted to. Borrowed the tulip from one of SketchUp models, although it's not that difficult to model it either. Flower stem was created by converting a vertex shape to curve. Mirror again used a simple circle, but the shape around it I used the array modifier. This is how it would look if I rendered the scene using Eevee. As you can see, just used basic texture with different colors and adjusting metallic and roughness values. The model isn't perfect because I didn't spend too much time on it. Something went wrong when I applied the bevel to it and it's easy to fix, but I left it as is for the experiment. Now this is the cycled render view, and I'll press F12 to render it and use it in Stable Diffusion. Just showing you solid shading in Eevee render. Next one is cycled render and the first Stable Diffusion outcome. I believe I used a deliberate model and fiddled with the noise strength. With AI rendering, it's all trial and error process, but it's definitely very fun to play with. I hope this video shows well how you can have pretty good control of your composition using your own 3D models and trying different settings in Stable Diffusion. I've also used ControlNet Depth Model to have even more control over my composition. Hope this video gave you some ideas on how to use AI technology on your Blender models. Thanks for watching, guys.